Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Tapo C310 with the Tapo C500, and I'm going to show you some important things I need to know about both. So the Tapo C310 got better video resolution comparing to Tapo C500, so this is like our first huge thing is when we're going to look here, the maximum resolution, and right here for the maximum resolution is better. Then both got 15 FPS. The Tapo C500 got better range only because it's, as you can see, that like you don't have it fixed as C310, so this is another thing. Then also the field of view is better for C310. So you see right here that you're gonna have 100 to 84 to 46, and it can make a difference. Also, you're gonna have the line crossing intrusion for the C310, so that's better. Both got serial volume, but not much difference there. And also the Ethernet port you have for C310, better operating temperature for C500, and dimensions is better for weather resistant is better also for C310, and dimension is better, more compact for C500. So it really depends like which one you like more and which one you need more. If you need more better field of view, if you need Ethernet port, also if you need better weather resistance, like these are all the important things to consider. So have a great day and goodbye.